Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are roasting corn. I am going to use corn and ube. This ube I bought it newly in the store, so I have a frozen one. I am going to wash this unfrozen one before I will use the frozen one. This is the one I'm going to use. So I am going to wash it. I already washed it first, so you need to wash it twice. I am going to wash it to show you how, just to pour water in it and remove all the dirt in it. So you have to wash it like 2 times or 3 times if you want. So you have to wash all the side, make sure there is no sand in it, and the head there is no sand in it, and then you throw away the water, and you wash it again and rinse it twice or 2 or 3 times. So mine, I have done mine once, so I just want to show you. So I am going to then add them in a ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. If you find a pear like this in the shop, just buy them many and put them in the freezer. Not if after eating 2 or 3 but think that pear sweet too, I for just buy plenty. Just put it in the freezer and allow it to stay there. It can stay for months, nothing will happen to it. So I used to buy many even and put them in the freezer. Each time I see it, I almost take the whole basket even. So I would then put this one in the oven. So I'm going to use about 200 Celsius of the grilling setting. That is what I'm going to do. And now it's ready after a few minutes, like about 10 to 15 minutes, it's ready. It's not up to 10 minutes, so you have to watch. So the second part is that you can also pour, this is another one. You can also use hot water methods, and you can also use roasting method. Three method. Just put salt or not, you cannot put, you can decide not to put salt. So mine, I'm putting salt to this. There are three methods. I'm supposed to say it before. One is roasting in the oven, the other one hot water, and this one is with the pan. I kind of like this one because it's a little bit burnt, you know. So you can as well skip the salt. You see how it looks a bit burnt, but you can choose not to make it burnt. So I have to check to see if it's already soft. So it is already soft. I'm going to set it aside. And then as for the corn, you can use big corn if you like the corn. So this is the one I can find for now. I usually go to the farmers market to get the one with the cob. So this one is the one I found in the freezer at the store. So I washed it and I left it and I drained the water. Now it's in the pot, in the pan. I will let the remaining water dry off before I start stirring it. So if you can't find corn, this is the right one to use. Just stir it, and keep stirring until you notice the water is dry. You can add salt to this because I used to add salt, but this time I don't want to add salt, so there's no point adding salt. I don't like adding salt to everything that I eat, so I have to stir it to make sure all the water drains off. You want to stir till you can find out that it's red, no, it's brown, not red, sorry, that is completely brown, not completely, some part of them are brown. You start making noise like popcorn, So I used to add, you can add anything you want, but I don't think adding something to the corn will make any difference. So if you cook them that way, so it will be better for you than adding too much salt and adding too much ingredients. What I added was to add butter, a little bit of butter. You can add a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick on the pan. If you have non-stick pan, so I don't think you should add anything. Just keep stirring them until a little bit golden brown. Some part are brown. You just hear the sounds of popcorn, like is like popcorn, and it's ready. So what I did, I have to test those ones that I've made. This one are the one for the tray that I use with salt. The ones in the pan that I use with salt. This one is the one I use with hot water. So I am going to test them. It looks very, very raw. It tastes very, very silky in the mouth. And this one too, I love this burnt one. So everything depends on how you want it. So I'm going to test the other one as well. And this is the one that I made for the family. All of us ate this one. So I kind of prefer the other one with the salt, but then too much salt is not good for us. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.